Hello everybody, welcome my channel Car Technology. So in this video I show and I teach everyone how to reset oil maintenance required soon. So in this car model Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 model year 2021. Now let's start to do with me. Now this car is learn the mistake oil maintenance required soon. So now, how to reset or how to delete this mistake. Now let's start to do together. Now first time and back and turn the back and then screw down to sitting and then use this button. So now sitting and enter, hold enter and scroll down. So my sitting, sorry. So now scroll down. Yes, back. So hold sitting and scroll down. So now reset oil maintenance. Okay, hold enter and then scroll up and click hold yes. Okay, now oil maintenance reset complete. Thank you for watching in this my video. Good luck.